Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1-2 steps, and in this video I am going to show you how to sign up to your Zedge application using your email address. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Zedge application at first. Then after opening the application, this type of page will appear. You just simply have to tap into this login button first in order to sign up into the application. Now you will see this continue with email option. Just simply tap into that option in order to sign up using the email address. Now you have to enter your email address into this box into here. Just simply enter the email address, then click to next option. Then it will send an OTP into your email address that you have just provided. You just have to put the OTP into this tab into here and click to next. Then it will lead you to this page. Now into this page, you just simply have to set a username, a password, and your birth date in order to proceed with the account making. Then after entering all these three, just simply check these two boxes and click to finish. Let me do this real quick. Then after tapping to the finish button, it will show you this page. Now you can surf the world of Zedge. By following these very easy steps, you can easily sign up to Zedge by using your email address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the 1-2 Step channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.